Hormones generally have two categories of effects. They can either be very fast or they can be very slow. There are hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, which act very fast. And then there are hormones like testosterone and estrogen, which we refer to as the sex steroid hormones. These molecules, for those of you that are interested, are what are called lipophilic, which just means that they like fatty stuff. They can actually pass through fatty membranes. And because the outside of cells, as well as what's called the nuclear envelope, where all the DNA contents and stuff are stuffed inside, are made of lipid, of fat, these steroid hormones can actually travel into cells and then interact with the DNA of cells in order to control gene expression. So they can change the sorts of things that cells will become, and they can change the way that cells function in a long-term way. And that's actually how the presence of these genes like SRY and Mullerian inhibiting hormone lead to reductions or elimination, I should say, of things like the Mullerian ducts and promote instead what's called in males the Wolffian ducts, or promote the development of testes rather than ovaries. So all you need to know is that hormones have short-term and long-term effects, and the long-term effects are actually related to their effects on genes and how those genes are expressed or repressed, not in order to prevent them from having particular proteins made.